All right. Hi Arjun. Hi Christians. Lang is here. So here's the update regarding these tickets about upload to project space from previously is the project detail page. So yeah, the updates is to bring up again about the project details and then the project files of the page into the new tabs that I name it as the project overview beside of the takeoff. So yeah, as you can see here, there are version controller that I created to for us to imagine or wondering how the UI would be if it visited by new user or returning user. For example, if we switch on the new user, it will become the empty state. So based on what Christian suggests to us, so basically each of the new project has the new setup about the default of the folder set, let's say, with that the default folder will be the plan spec, bid proposal maybe, and then insurance. It depends on the scope of the projects, and then the others is for the another documents. Sorry. Okay, so well, let's see. There is a button that I just added with the from the previous one. So for the add, we can create the new folder from this one, and then let's say structural, for example, and then we can create another one like architectural. Wait a minute. Okay, and then we can rename it. Then we also can create the child folder or the items. Yeah, for if the items, it will be the uploader of the file, and then if the new folder, they can create the child folder. Yeah, so when we switch on the returning users, yeah, this is the example of the state when the user has the set of the drawing plan, and then to proceed to the next step, which is the takeoff. User only need to selecting the files with the checkbox, and then the takeoff button will be active, and then they can press it to move to the takeoff page. And then the left side is about the project detail, is the detail for the page if user want to adding additional information about this project. And then yeah, so I think that's it. For the navigation, we still utilize the tab component there. And then if we go to the takeoff, okay, then it will direct us to the all drawing page, and then here's the extraction process. Yeah, yeah. Well, I think that's all from my update regarding the project detail page or the project space. Let me know if you have any questions. And then one thing that I want to mention is about this new. It's actually not new, but from previously we name it as the pages, and then yeah, it's pages because it related to the project file, so I rename it as the files and then the project file for the panels. So it also help us to navigate the drawing set that we already uploaded through the project file that previously on the project overview. So I imagine that if we double click on this, user can uh, preview it the document, so that user can review it directly through our platforms. So that's the idea. Definitely I need to update the prototype because this prototype not yet cover about the previewing mode. So well, that's all.